In this tutorial, we will learn point and point style command in detail. Click on draw. From here you can give point command. Click on point. You can specify the coordinate. Suppose I want at 10, 10. Enter. Point is created at 10, 10 here. This point is 0, 0. From it, the distance of 10 is defined. By holding the cursor on that point, you can view the coordinate also in the cursor. You can create a point by clicking also. Just click wherever you want it. You can create points there. And if you want to give the point command from keyboard, you will have to give PO as a shortcut. Using PO shortcut, you can create point only one times actually. So for multiple times, you will have to give click here only, so that you can create multiple times. Press escape to come out. If you want to, now these points are shown as a dot. If you want to view it in different style, then click on utilities, and here point style command is there. The command is p type. You can also type the p type, or click here point style and select the type of point. Then point size you can define in two ways. Set size relative to screen in percentage. If we take this first option, okay. If we zoom and click on RE and give the RE enter, the screen size will be resized automatically. The point size will be automatically resized to the screen as per the screen size. That means 5% percent of the screen size. And if you want to keep the point size fixed, then click on point style. Use the set size in absolute unit. Suppose I make it unit to be 1. Okay. So it will always remain the same. It will not change as per the screen size. The point will remain fixed. So in this way you can specify point size in two ways. And suppose I take it to the relative to the screen 5%. Okay. And if you want to create one line from this point to this point, then click on line, and to catch this point, press shift right click and select node object snap. So node will catch the point automatically. Click there, again shift right click node, so it will create the line from one point to other point. If you want to have the node object snap automatically, then click here arrow near the object snap and click on this node, so it will come. Suppose I want to create a spline passing through this line, so I will take the spline, and as we had in object snap, we have selected the node, therefore node will be selected automatically. Press enter. In this way you can use point and point style command. Thanks for watching. We will stop here.